The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore. Hey everybody, we're coming to you from the Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore Lake Creek location today. We're talking about shopping, donating, and the mission of the ReStore with store associate Kyle Kasner. Kyle, I know you have a ton of regulars, but the truth is there are some folks here in Central Texas who have never walked through your doors at the ReStore before. What can they expect?
Definitely. When you walk in, you can definitely expect the unexpected. There's no telling what's going to come through here. There's no end to the high-end, unique or niche items I've personally seen come through here, whether it's a Gucci handkerchief, some designer plumbing, or antique copper pieces from the 1800s. There's literally no telling what to expect.
So talk to us about the construction materials y'all offer.
Absolutely. So when you walk in, you'll notice that we have brand new butcher block countertops. We have cabinets, doors, and floor. And it's not unexpected to see gently used or even new doors, flooring, tile, or windows.
And we'll talk about some tips for shopping in just another moment or two, but let's talk, if we can, about the mission of the ReStore and why coming here and doing that kind of house shopping that we're talking about supports the ReStore's mission.
Absolutely. Every donation and every purchase helps fund Austin Habitat for Humanity's work here in Central Texas. That includes building and repairing homes or offering financial education to future homeowners. So when you shop here, you're not just saving money, you're helping build affordable housing and supporting your neighbors the Texas way.
So how can folks donate?
We try to make it really easy to donate. Items can be brought to the store an hour before the store doors close. Otherwise, if you need help with larger items like appliances or furniture, you can go to austinhabitat.org/ReStore and set up a truck pickup. We're also very fortunate that we have a lot of businesses that like to donate excess inventory, so it's not unusual to find brand new materials from all sorts of companies.
It's the long game you want people to play. Tell me what you mean by that.
It's always best to have your measurements or a list of general items that you're looking for if you're thinking of an upcoming project. That way you can collect the pieces you like versus just what's affordable for you at the time, and it makes for a really good ReStore remodel. What comes through that door, you'll never know, and the moment it does, somebody's going to be looking.
And at a very good price too, and of course going back to a great cause. Kyle, thank you so much for your time.
Definitely, I appreciate you. Thank you.
To learn more about the ReStore and how your support makes a difference, visit austinhabitat.org/ReStore. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Habitat for Humanity ReStore.